Here are the keys. Take good care of her. I will, sir, I promise. She was my pride and joy. She'll be in good hands. Easy now, lowering her in. Line them out, settling perfectly.